Hey, what's up, everyone?
Hey everyone.
Yes, welcome to our e-commerce sector. Over here, you're going to learn how you can increase your sales in your e-commerce store. Rather, if you have your own e-commerce business or you're doing service for e-commerce clients.
Or even to optimize it.
Exactly. Yes. So what we're going to teach you, we're going to teach you how you can schedule the content for your social media accounts, so you don't need actually to invest time on your day-to-day busy days. So you can schedule it and just forget about it. How to grow all of your social media accounts. It's very important to have a lot of relevant followers, a lot of leads are coming over there, so to increase the amount of traffic also in all of your social media accounts. We speak about Facebook, about LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, everything. You need to be everywhere. So we're going to show you all of that. Also about data, right?
Yeah, so actually to me is like the course is like everything that you need to be a good company for e-com from the eyes of the black hat world, of course. So how to do it again in all the social media, to do everything that Adi just said, and again how to increase your data, how to increase your lead, how to optimize your leads. So if someone comes to your website and register, you want them automatically to get a LinkedIn request or a follow request from Instagram or Facebook, depends on your niche. So we'll teach you everything, including how to use it in a CRM, how to get data, and how to find like more content to social media, and how actually to post in all your social media automatically. And we're going to show you how it works and how to do that. And what else we want to tell them? That we have a great course that you will be able to find it on the website. And we want also to tell you that we have a good course, a good forum, and you can ask us everything that you like.
Yes, thank you very much. See you inside.
Bye-bye.